Hello, today I'm going to be picking bay tree berries to grow more bay trees. You can't eat the berries, they are poisonous. But today I'm showing you how you open them. They are good when they are black and round like this. They are ripe and ready to plant. To open them it's very easy. Just get your nail and just pull it open. They really don't have much flesh, these berries. They're like all seed. As you can see here, the seed is already visible. Here it is. A bay seed. Now you can plant it in the ground and you'll have a bay tree where it produces seeds in about 20 or so years.